Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Sit in the driver's seat and look under the left side of the dash near the driver's door. Locate a black plastic hood release lever with a hood icon. It sits within 6 inches of the kick panel. Grasp the lever and pull it toward you in one full motion. You should hear a clear pop as the primary latch releases. If you do not hear a pop, check that the car is unlocked or try pulling twice with moderate force. Walk to the front of the car and place your fingers under the center of the hood near the grille. Feel for the secondary safety catch. It is a metal tab you must push to the left or lift up while raising the hood about 3–5 inches. Use one hand to operate the catch and the other hand to lift the hood slightly. Once the catch releases, lift the hood upward smoothly until it clears the latch. Always keep fingers away from pinch points and the latch area. Open the hood fully and look to the right side of the engine bay to locate the prop rod or gas struts. If your Forte has a manual prop rod, lift the rod and seat it in the designated slot on the hood. The slot is typically within 6 to 8 inches from the edge. If you have gas struts, confirm they hold the hood steadily. To close, lower the hood to about 12 inches above the latch. Then from 6 inches above, let it drop gently to engage the latch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.